приглашаем.
Я вам приглашаю в Азовский. У нас летом языков камп.
Лучше на английском говори.
Hello dear friends, my name is Charles and I will be one of the native speakers at the English summer camp in Azovsky. What this camp is going to do for you, it's going to open a whole new world of communication. As you might be aware now, English is the official medium of communication. Wherever you go in Asia, in Africa, in Europe, anywhere, Australia, it's English all over. So at the summer English, at the language camp in Azovsky, we will have the opportunity to interact on social media, one-on-one interaction, intellectual games, practical games, all to give you the opportunity to improve your English. So you should register for the summer language camp in Azovsky because I will be there together with some of the native speakers and it will be so amazing. Что я должен сказать? Я не знаю, что я должен сказать.
Переходите по ссылке под этим видео.
Приходите по ссылке.